Have you ever tried to log into your Chime account only to find it's been locked? It's a jarring experience that can leave you feeling frustrated and cut off from your money. What exactly causes this, and what can you do about it? Chime, like any financial institution, takes security very seriously. The most common reason for an account lock is a security-related issue. This could be suspicious activity that triggers their fraud detection systems. Maybe there was a large deposit from a new source, or a series of unusual transactions. Chime will lock the account to protect you and your money from potential fraud. They're basically hitting the emergency brakes to prevent a bad situation from getting worse. Another big reason is a violation of their terms and conditions. This can be as simple as using your personal Chime account for business transactions, which isn't allowed. Or, in more severe cases, it could involve trying to exploit sign-up offers by creating multiple accounts. Chime is quick to shut down accounts that don't follow the rules. It could also happen if you fail to provide or update your identity verification documents when requested. They need to confirm you are who you say you are to keep everyone safe. Sometimes, an account can be locked due to a failed identity verification. Chime may need additional information to confirm your identity, such as a utility bill to prove your address. If you can't provide this information, or if there's a discrepancy, your account may be put on hold. So, what's the solution? The first and most important step is to contact Chime directly. You can't unlock the account yourself. The best way is to use their official support channels, either through the app, a phone call, or email. Be prepared to provide any requested documentation to prove your identity and ownership of the account. This can include a government-issued ID, a recent utility bill, or other supporting documents. The more prepared you are with information, the smoother the process will be. While it can be stressful to have your account locked, remember that it's often a protective measure. By understanding the common reasons and knowing the correct steps to take, you can resolve the issue and regain access to your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.